Hello again. Some time ago, I had the good fortune to compete at the Owen Sound Brack hill climb in Owen Sound, Ontario. Unfortunately, there are not too many hill climbs in Canada, the remaining one being in the Western Kelowna, the Knox Hill Climb. And this was a great opportunity to participate and, in fact, help organize this small, compact, and unique event. The course itself is fairly short, but extremely quick. And after running it a couple of times, we decided it was an advantage if we created a small chicane about a quarter way down the course. Without this, the cars would have been going at far too great a speed for the type of a course with trees lining the road and some uneven surfaces. So the chicane acted in the best interest of the drivers, all competitors, and of course the residents. Bill Brack was in attendance. He gave a few demonstration runs with I think his Formula Atlantic. There was a McLaren there, which did not perform too well. And I had the Miata, which was a huge amount of fun in wet weather. I was able to drive the car flat out for most of the course. And even with the uneven surface and the rain, it just held its own really well. I hope you enjoy this movie.
Good. Thanks a lot.